Hi, I'm Dave Strand. You already know I run the best asphalt seal coating company on the planet. Today, we're not going to talk about asphalt seal coating. We're going to talk about a product that I recently reviewed and really like. A couple of months ago, my wife was chasing our corgi, tripped over an extension cord, and broke her hip. Usually, I'm working close enough to the house and I can come home and let the dog out. A few days ago, I was working 20 miles from my house and it was hard for me to come home and let Jax out. So I left the door wall in my office open so he could go out and do his business as he pleased. And when I got home, there were flies everywhere. Flies on the ceiling, flies on the floor, flies everywhere. So I went to the home store and I picked up this Raid window fly trap. And boy, does it work. I love this product and I highly recommend it to anybody that has a fly problem. The next video will be about asphalt seal coating. And don't forget to like and subscribe so Google sends me more money.